This is my oldest permanent magnet speaker. It is from 1949. It came out of a radio, a Spartan radio, that I was unable to repair. I fully recapped the radio. It just doesn't work. Here's the EIA code on the speaker. It's 232, which is a Magnavox speaker, 942. So it was made in the 42nd week of 1949. So this speaker is from 1949. It is my oldest speaker. It is not ripped or anything, but I do think it might have got wet or moisture or something to it, because there's like a deformation in this corner. It almost looks like it was cracked, but it doesn't go all the way through. But the speaker does work. It, however, does have a problem, and we're going to see if we can fix it together. Somehow, I don't know what happened, but the voice coil, the spider, has separated from the voice coil. I'll let you hear how it sounds with the spider separated from the voice coil. It works still, but it doesn't sound the way it should. I'm going pretty low. If that's on. That does not sound good, but it does work. I actually bought this radio because I fixed one. It was from 1954. Same radio, just a little bit newer, 6x9 as well. And it has amazing sound for an old-fashioned vacuum tube radio. I wanted another one, but sadly I couldn't get that one to work. But let's try and fix this. I am going to attempt to repair it using my speaker service cement. I chose this because it actually has a little applicator brush. Now I could just remove the spider itself, which I'm not sure what kind of effect that would do. I know it's to help stabilize the voice coil bobbin, but it might just totally ruin the speaker. But let's try and fix it. I can't believe I didn't turn that on. Now, I'm not sure how good you guys are going to be able to see in there, but I'll try and get you in there as best as I can. Okay. Now I should probably be doing this with the speaker upside down, but I can't get into it there. I'm just going to quickly put some of this on and then turn the speaker upside down, because I don't want it dripping down into the actual voice coil, because then it certainly won't work then. This one's going to be tricky because of the tinsel leads right there. Okay, well, I think I got it on, all of it. Oops, I almost knocked the glue over. Alright, let's just disconnect this. Alright, we will come back to this later. Alright, we're back. Let's take a look now. It's probably been about an hour. Well, the cone did not get glued to the pole piece. And it looks like the spider is moving with the cone. Cool. Let's give it a shot. Well, what do you know? I'm rather surprised. That's fucking awesome. Turn it this way, get the better side towards the camera. Just turn it up a little bit, see how it handles some power. That worked. Let's check out the tinsel leaks. 1940s dust. Ooh yeah. I cannot believe that worked. I'm very surprised that that worked. It just did not seem like it would have worked, honestly, just because I thought the glue would have ran down and glued the cone to the pole piece. But it didn't. It actually worked. I can't believe it. This is some good stuff right here that works to repair the cone and actually to glue the spider back to the cone. Very neat. Thank you very much. I hope this helps somebody else if that happens to one of their speakers.